Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable cursor AI in VS Code. So first open Visual Studio Code, then navigate to the extension pane by clicking the building blocks icon on the left vertical menu. So this one right here, extension, or you can use Ctrl Shift X, or on Mac you can use CMD Shift X, just like that. Now type in simply cursor AI or code cursor. So let's see what's better. So I think this one is correct one. All right. And what you're going to do is just click on install. Okay. And what will happen is that we will need to wait a few moments. Okay, so now the second thing is what we need to do is open our command palette. So we will use Ctrl Shift P on Mac, CMD Shift P, just like that. And now we will type in here configure, okay, again, and type in configure extension settings. All right, now under those settings, we will go to sign in with your Cursor account or paste a personal open AI API key to fund your queries directly. Also now you will find this Cursor AI right here on the left side menu, vertical Cursor AI. So let's close all of this. Like here, as you can see, we have now Cursor AI chat. And yeah, you can start using this, and here you can start typing in, asking question, just like that. But as I mentioned, you will need to enter open AI API key, and then you will press to confirm or escape to cancel that this will even work for here in Visual Studio Code. So yeah, or you will just need to sign in. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the